Hey there, you're watching Arc Habitu, especially for young innovative minds. So, as I promised, I'm here with UNESCO World Heritage Sites of India. The first one to discuss with is Agra Fort. It's located in Agra district of Uttar Pradesh, commissioned by Emperor Akbar, but was built into what we see today under the reign of Shah Jahan, the grandson of Akbar. It is built in Mughal architectural style, and the materials used for the construction are red sandstone and marble. Do you know that when the fort came under the control of Aurangzeb, locked Shah Jahan here for 8 years until his death? That's a pity. The second UNESCO World Heritage Site is Ajanta Caves. It is spread over the regions of Maharashtra, Aurangabad, and Soyaganj Taluk. They are the 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments. It is built during 2nd century BCE to 480 CE. The criteria for the UNESCO World Heritage Site was cultural, and it is built from basalt rocks. Ancient monasteries and worship halls of different Buddhist traditions carved into 75-meter wall of rocks. That's what is Ajanta Caves. We can also see paintings and rock-cut sculptures. Now moving on to the third UNESCO World Heritage Site, Ellora Caves. It is also spread over Maharashtra and Aurangabad, but also Kuldabad Taluk. Now, it is also a prominent rock-cut architecture. It is built during the reign of Rashtrakuta dynasty, and out of the 34 caves in this site, 12 are of Buddhist, 17 of Hindu, and 5 of Jains. So, these data are very important in accordance with the questions asked in NATA. And it is built during 4th and 9th centuries. The cave 16 here in this Ellora caves is also is known as Kailasa. This is an important cave, and in the courtyard of this Kailasa cave we have 2 victory pillars, and we can also see bas reliefs over all the caves. So this is about Ellora Caves. Moving on to the next site, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra district of Uttar Pradesh, and it's a marble mausoleum on south bank of Yamuna. It was commissioned by Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. And it's built in Mughal architecture, a blend of Indian, Persian and Islamic styles. The marble used in the tomb is Makrana marble, and the mausoleum interior is organized around an octagonal marble chamber. Do you know that Emperor had wanted an identical black mausoleum to be built in the complex, although this failed to transpire? So that's the fact. In all these monuments, we have plenty of facts, and these facts will literally lead to love these monuments very much. So after your exams, do check out many facts through different sites, which will literally lead to love these monuments, love the history very much. So this is with this video. We will move on with UNESCO World Heritage Site in the coming videos, and probably I hope to end the UNESCO World Heritage Site series in 5 videos. I don't know how much I can succeed in this process because we have plenty of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and if this video was fruitful to you, do share with your friends and also subscribe to our channel Arc Habitu. Thank you.